Then here we have a quote from Saint Chavara. Saint Chavara considers life a sacred treasure entrusted by God. Our life is a treasure, a sacred treasure. ये हमारा खजाना है, हमारी ज़िंदगी हमारा पवित्र खजाना है. As a human being, it is our responsibility to live our life with purity of thought, word and action. The saint is emphasizing that we should live our life with pure thoughts, pure words and pure deeds. We must also remember that if it is a gift of God, there will come a time when we will have to give back our life. See, we all are born, we are gifted this life, and one day we all will have to die. So we have to return this life to someone. Why not make this life count? Why not do some good deeds? Why not help others who are in need? Why not become example for others? Why not motivate others? This all depends on us. Every day we must remember that we are responsible for our life. We are not able to see life as a blessing because of our selfishness and lack of self-confidence. When we are dominated by me and mine, we lose our identity or real self. We start comparing ourselves with others. When we feel that others have something which we lack, we become jealous. When pride and jealousy join hands, blessing becomes a curse. Selfishness is loss of true love. So basically, here it's pointing out to our selfishness. अगर हम मैं, मेरी, मेरा इन सब में उलझे रहेंगे तो हमारे अंदर से वो ईगो नहीं निकल सकेगा. अगर वो हमारा जो सेल्फ का ईगो है वो नहीं निकलेगा, तब तक हमें हमारी असलियत से हमारी पहचान नहीं हो पाएगी. We have to think of our soul. Our soul is not bounded by this me and mine. Our soul is an entity from God. We should take care of that soul. We should be free of jealousy, free of pride. If some of our friends are having something which we are not having, we should not feel jealous. We should be happy that at least they are having something which I am not having. So we should be happy. Don't keep that J factor inside you. Basically, if you will have selfishness, then you will not be able to have true love. If our attitude is positive, we will see goodness in and around us. We will be able to thank God as well as others for all the gifts of life. Then, God will turn even negative events of life like sickness, death of near ones, accidents, transfer, etc. for our greater good. And thus, our life will become a blessing to us as well as for others. We should be able to thank God. Like I usually say this, even before my thanks, like even before giving a thanks, God gives me reasons enough to thank more. भगवान को शुक्रिया करने से पहले ही वो हमें इतने कारण दे देते हैं कि हम उनका और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शुक्रिया कर सकें. Same is being explained here. If you are continuously praying to God and thanking to God, then you will get more than what you have thought or what you have achieved. Even the sickness, the death of near ones, accidents, transfer, even in those things, you will count those things as a blessing. कोई गिरा, किसी को कुछ लगा, तो उसमें ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि अरे बाप रे इतना लग गया. उसके बजाय ये बोलना चाहिए कि अच्छा हुआ, शुक्र है, इतना ही लगा, और ज़्यादा कुछ होता तो शायद डेथ भी हो सकती थी. So at each and every point we should be thankful. So this was all for this chapter, children. I think you have come up with the thought that life is truly a blessing.